Yes, student, this one is our 12th lecture, which one I'm going to share with you before. So, in the last class, we discussed the graphical presentation of rental firm behavior and competitive production firm behavior. Competitive firms supply capital that is fixed. Sorry for that. Rental firms, not competitive production firms. Rental firms, जिनका अपना capital है, they supply capital and rent out this capital to the production firms who are competitive firms. Now, competitive firms demand capital at different real rental price. Rental price कहाँ पे है? Is on vertical axis. Capital stock is on horizontal axis. As rental price decrease, demand for capital increase. Equilibrium price is here, and this is the equilibrium real rental price of capital. Real rental price of capital. Real rent for capital. So we know that this is a firm decision. This is a firm decision where supply equal to demand for capital. At firm decision, real rental price equal to marginal product of capital. Then we discuss the Cobb-Douglas production function. Then if we take derivative of this production function, derivative of production function will be marginal production of output. Marginal production of capital. In other words, marginal production of output with respect to capital. We take derivative with respect to K. अगर हम K के respect से production function का derivative लेंगे, तो जो डेरिवेटिव होगा वो क्या होगा? हमारा मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कैपिटल. अगर हम लेबर के रिस्पेक्ट से लेंगे वो क्या होगा? मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लेबर. वी आर कंसर्न टू वी आर कंसर्न विद कैपिटल. हमने कैपिटल डिस्कस करना है बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो चेंज इन y डिवाइडेड बाय चेंज इन k. Take derivative with respect to k. Alpha power of capital multiply with a constants. Alpha minus 1. L is same, no change because it is multiplied. Another factor. 1 minus alpha. To have alpha minus 1. If we change k position from denominator to denominator, then alpha minus 1 becomes 1 minus alpha. That will be L minus L divided by K 1 minus alpha. L 1 minus alpha divided by K 1 minus alpha. Because we have changed the position. Denominator to denominator. K alpha minus 1 becomes L divided by K 1 minus alpha. Now combine the powers. L over K, the whole power is 1 minus alpha. This is a marginal production of capital. हमने डेरिवेटिव किस रेस्पेक्ट से लिया है? कैपिटल के रेस्पेक्ट से. जब हम कैपिटल के रेस्पेक्ट से डेरिवेटिव ले रहे हैं, देन इट विल बी मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कैपिटल. मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कैपिटल इक्वल टू रियल रेंटल प्राइस. Real rent at equilibrium. Rental firms will be at equilibrium place. In other words, on the other hand, production competitive firms will be at equilibrium. The production firms will hire capital at a point where marginal product of capital equal to real rent. That is the equilibrium position. We know that is why R over P equal to MPK. हमने कैलकुलेट MPK किया, लेकिन इसको R over P के इक्वल क्यों किया हमने? क्योंकि ये इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन है. Equilibrium condition is okay now. Real rent depends upon technology, I mean technology, labor and capital. Now, three factors, technology, labor and capital, affect rental price. Technology, labor and capital, three factors affect real rent of capital. For example, capital is in denominator. If capital decrease, capital is denominator, then the whole one will increase, because capital in denominator. Then capital decrease, the whole one increase, then the whole R over P will increase. R over P will increase. Thus, at equilibrium, R over P would increase if capital decrease, because capital is in denominator. जब denominator बढ़ेगा, the whole number will increase. क्योंकि नीचे वाला पार्ट कम हो रहा है, the whole part आपका increase कर देगा. Then finally R over P increase. जब ये सारा बढ़ जाएगा तो R over P भी तो बढ़ेगा, because दोनों equal है. Second factor, labor. If labor increase, labor is in the position of denominator. Denominator जब बढ़ेगा, definitely whole बढ़ेगा. Whole बढ़ेगा तो real rent भी बढ़ेगा. Then real rent would increase if labor increase. Similarly, if A increase, then real rent will also increase. So three factors are here. First factor is technology. Second factor is labor. The third factor is capital. These three factors affect real rent. Real rent would increase if capital decrease, labor increase, or technology increase. Arrows are very clear. कैपिटल कैसे डिक्रीज होगा बेटा? अर्थक्वेक या वार की वजह से कैपिटल क्या हो जाता है? कम हो जाता है. जब अर्थक्वेक आता है, तो वार आती है, तो कैपिटल कम नहीं हो जाता. ओके, इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा? रियल रेंट उस जगह पे पड़ जाएगा. बालाकोट में ज़लज़ला आया था, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ? कैपिटल अवेलेबल ही नहीं था लोगों के पास, ज़ाया हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा. जो अवेलेबल था उसका रेंट बढ़ गया, वहाँ रियल रेंट बढ़ गया. पॉपुलेशन बढ़ जाए, देन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा? लेबर ज़्यादा है, वर्किंग लेबर, ठीक है, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा? वाफर लेबर अवेलेबल होगी. देन कैपिटल के पे काम करने वाली लेबर वाफर अवेलेबल है. फर्म्स क्या करेंगी? प्रोडक्शन फर्म्स विल टेक मोर कैपिटल ऑन रेंट. एज अ रिजल्ट, जब कैपिटल की डिमांड बढ़ेगी तो रियल रेंट भी बढ़ जाएगा. इसी तरह जब टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ेगी, टेक्नोलॉजी के बढ़ने से कैपिटल की डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी. जब कैपिटल की डिमांड बढ़ेगी तो रियल रेंट बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, दीज आर द लॉजिक्स. कैपिटल डिक्रीज, रियल रेंट इंक्रीज. लेबर इंक्रीज, population growth increase, real rent increase. Technology increase, real rent increase. These are the options very clear. Now we are going to the next slide, that is the decision. Decision slides. Rental firms. Rental firms को क्या मिला था? Real rent. Real rents on capital. That is the benefits of rental firms. रेंटल फर्म्स के बेनिफिट्स क्या है? द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रेंटल फर्म्स इक्वल टू द रेंटल प्राइस that is received by them. So rental firms invest in new capital when the benefits of new investment is greater than the cost. Benefits क्या है? Real rent. जब रियल रेंट कॉस्ट से बढ़ जाए तो इन्वेस्टमेंट न्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट करते रहेंगे. The benefits is the real rent. If the real rent increase, is the real rent greater than the cost? Only one statement. If the real benefits which are the rental price of capital greater than the cost of capital, then firm will continue investment in new capital. इन्वेस्टमेंट होती रहेगी जब तक बेनिफिट्स कॉस्ट से ज्यादा हो. बेनिफिट्स आप लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. दीज आर द बेनिफिट्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द कॉस्ट ऑफ न्यू कैपिटल borne by rental firms. Rental firms की कॉस्ट क्या होगी? Benefits we have done. Now the cost of rental firms on new capital. जो उन्होंने रेंट पे दिया उसकी कॉस्ट क्या है? Here cost of capital. Here cost of capital has three components. The first component is interest cost. इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट क्या है? इंटरेस्ट रेट मल्टीप्लाई प्राइस ऑफ कैपिटल. रेंटल फर्म्स क्या करती हैं? बैंक से लोन लेती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लोन लेने के बाद उस जितना लोन लिया उसका क्या कैपिटल बाय कर लेती हैं. तो लोन इज द प्राइस ऑफ कैपिटल. डेफिनेटली कैपिटल बाय कर लिया. आफ्टर 1 year रेंटल फर्म दे पे इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स ऑन द लोन. वो इंटरेस्ट रेट को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्राइस. कितना बैंक कितनी रेंटल फर्म्स कितना इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट करेंगे? रेंटल फर्म्स इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट कितना करेंगे? इंटरेस्ट रेट मल्टीप्लाई पीके प्राइस ऑफ कैपिटल. दैट इज द नॉमिनल प्राइस ऑफ कैपिटल. Total are interest payments paid by the rental firms. The second one is depreciation costs. Over a year, capital depreciated. वर्क करते करते कैपिटल की वैल्यू कम हो जाती है. पार्ट घिस जाते हैं. That is the depreciation rate. It can be 0.1, 0.2, 10%, 20% can be. Multiply price. Total value of capital. Definitely total value is the price of capital. Multiply the total will be depreciation payments. Here this is this one is this sign is this sign shows depreciation rate. That is a gamma. Then capital loss. Here capital loss is in the negative with the negative sign. अगर आफ्टर 1 year कैपिटल की प्राइस कम हो जाए, 1 लाख रुपए का लिया था क्या साहब ने मशीन, आफ्टर 1 year उसकी प्राइस 80,000 रह जाती है. और आज 20% उसकी प्राइस कम हो गई. दैट इज अ डेप्रिसिएट. दैट इज द कैपिटल लॉस. कि वर्किंग करते करते कैपिटल की प्राइस कम हो गई. दैट इज चेंज इन प्राइस. कितनी प्राइस चेंज हुई है? 20,000. अगर नेगेटिव होगा क्योंकि लॉस हुआ है, प्राइस कम हुई है, दैट इज अ लॉस. अगर प्राइस बढ़ जाए 1,20,000 हो जाए, then it will be capital gain if change in PK positive. Then capital cost क्या होगी? Positive होगी, negative होगी. Now these three components are capital costs. The first component of capital cost is interest payment. The second component is depreciation cost. The third component is capital loss in the form of reduction in price. Now sum up all. इनको sum up कर लें. And we will get total cost. Now this is the nominal cost. This slide. Nominal cost. You can see. First component is here. Interest payments. Interest rate, not percentage. Rate multiply price of capital. Depreciation rate multiply price of capital. Nominal price. Then change in PK, negative if price decrease. Now we are going to take common variables PK. Here also PK and PK. Change in PK is not PK. जहां PK नहीं है, price of capital नहीं है, वरना 2 हमारे पास जो components है वहां पे price of capital है. So to adjust this equation, we multiply this part of cost, multiply and divide price of capital. PK divided by PK. Then no problem. If you divide this portion 2 by 2, no problem. Because 2 cross with 2, no problem. Okay. So here price of capital divided by price of capital, no problem if you do this. But we can take common 1 PK, that is in the denominator. Here price of capital, here price of capital, here price of capital, that is common here. When we take common, then the remaining is interest rate, depreciation rate, minus change in price of capital divided by price of capital. That is so simple. Again, I'm showing. Maybe you are confused about that. So in this term, in this equation, the first term has price of capital. The second term has price of capital. But the third term doesn't have price of capital. That is change in price of capital. So here we can take price of capital. How we will take? We will multiply and divide this term with price of capital. Then we will multiply price of capital divide price of capital. Then this equation will have no impact. Price of capital divided by price of capital does not affect this term. Price of capital divided by price of capital does not affect this term. One price of capital will be common here. The second, which is division part, is here. That is the total nominal cost of capital. This is a simplification. हम इसको simplify कर दें, but बहुत simplify कर दिया. Okay. Okay. Here we are going to suppose we are taking example to complete the calculation of nominal cost of capital. Suppose price of capital is $10,000. Interest rate is 10%. Depreciation rate is 20%. But the point two rate, this is in the form of rate. परसेंटेज में लेना चाहते हैं तो आप क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई 100 से कर देंगे, इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई 100 से कर देंगे। इंटरेस्ट रेट कितने परसेंट होगा, 10%। डेप्रिसिएशन रेट कितने होगा, 20%। और लॉस ऑफ कैपिटल चेंज इन टीके ओवर टीके कितना होगा, 6%। 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए जी बेटा। रेट को आप प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, then interest rate multiplies price of capital, we will get interest payment 1000. Okay. When we will multiply depreciation rate with price of capital, it will be equal to 2000. When we will multiply inflation, I will say inflation, that is change in TK over PK, that is inflation, that is equal to 0.066%. We will multiply price of capital, that is equal to 600 minus 600. The total cost is 2400 rupees. You can do by yourself. Lastly, I sent you one link of the consumption chapter. In the same chapter, you can see the right side of this, that link. You can see the option of this chapter. You can see the link of 17th chapter of investment. So this is the cost of capital borne by the rental firm. This is the cost of rental firms, and benefits of rental firms is the real rent of capital. We will the rental firm will compare benefits and cost of capital. If real rent greater than the total cost, let's real rent is $3,000, that is greater than the total cost, the firms will continue to make new investments. Investment चलती रहेगी बेटा, वो new capital add कर, rental firms new capital invest करते रहेंगे until both are equal. 2400 equal to 2400. At this point, the rental firm will stop new investment. So this is a decisionary point over here. The decisionary point is that the rental firms will continue the investment until the total benefits, that is the total real rent, is greater than the total cost, until total cost equal to the total benefits. The firm will stop investment. That is the decision of that firms. That is a new classical model. That is a new classical model. Hopefully you have done this one. That is very simple. The next one we will do, just I will hint out for simplicity. Don't worry about that, that is very simple. Change in price of capital divided by price of capital is the inflation. That is a growth in price level. Growth of price level. Growth of price of capital. That is the inflation. Replace with inflation in the previous equation. Then nominal interest rate minus inflation, we will get real interest rate. Real interest rate plus depreciation rate. That is the nominal cost of capital with simplification. So we simplified the previous equation, price of capital into real interest rate plus depreciation. Again, change in price of capital divided by price of capital, that is the growth rate of price of capital, that is the inflation. Inflation बेटा यही होती है, change in general price level divided by current price level. Then we replace the previous equation with inflation. Then nominal interest rate minus inflation, that is the real interest rate. We replace this part with real interest rate. Then real interest rate for depreciation rates. This one is the nominal cost of capital. This is the nominal cost of capital. Okay. So hopefully you have done this one. Then the next one is very simple. If you multiply this equation with price, general price level, it will be the real cost of capital. If you will divide the nominal cost of capital with general price level, it will be real cost of capital. It will be real cost of. Okay, now I'm going to stop our meeting because time is very close to finish. Just 5 minutes are left for meeting. You can ask your questions. And oh, okay, only 34 students. Very bad. Okay, it's okay, no problem.